Hello students, myself Kishan Gulung and you are watching the Masang tutorial. So today we are going to learn how to add fractional numbers, okay? The number in the numerator and denominator are called fractional number. So here 1 is in the numerator and 3 is in the denominator. So this is a fractional number. Here 9 is in the numerator and 4 is in the denominator. So this is also a fractional number. This is also a fractional number. So we are going to add this fractional numbers, okay? So first of all, let me tell you, if the denominator is greater than the numerator, here 3 is greater than 1, isn't it? So this type of fractional number is called proper fraction, okay? If the denominator is greater than the numerator, then this type of fraction is called proper fraction. Proper fraction. Proper fraction means denominator is greater than numerator, okay? Denominator is greater than numerator. If the number in the denominator is greater than the numerator, we call that fractional number as proper fraction. Here you can see the denominator is smaller than the numerator. This type of fraction is called improper fraction. Improper fraction. So improper fraction is that kind of fraction whose denominator is smaller than the numerator, okay? So normally what we do is we convert improper fraction into mixed fraction or decimal, okay? Let's first learn to add this fractional number. So to add fractional number, what we usually do is we take the LCM of the denominator, okay? We take the LCM of the denominator. Here 4, 4 and 3, isn't it? The LCM of the denominator is taken like this. So 4 1s are 4 1s are 4. Again 4 1s are 4. 4 1s are 4. 4 1s are 4. Now this 3 cannot be multiplied with 4. 4 into nothing is 3, isn't it? So 3 we copy as it is. So now there is no common table between 4 and 3, so the LCM is 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So 4 into 3 is 12. The LCM is 12, isn't it? LCM is 12. Now, what we do is 4 into what is this 12? First of all, what we do is we write this 3, the number 3 here, okay? We write this 3 here. Then 4 into which number is 12? 4 into 3 is 12, isn't it? 4 3s are 12. So that 3 comes here. 4 3s are 12. That means that 3 is this 3. This 3 is this 3. 4 3s are 12 and that 3 is this 3. So now comes plus sign here. Again we write 9 as it is like this. 4 into what number is 12? 4 into 3 is 12. So 9 into 3. So we write plus here. And this one we copy as it is 1 into 3 into which number is 12? 3 into 4 is 12, isn't it? 3 4s are 12, so that 4 comes here. Now 3 3s are 9 plus 9 3s are 27 plus 1 4s are 4 whole upon 12, isn't it? So 9 plus 27 plus 4, all the 3 numbers are positive, all are plus, isn't it? So let us add them up. 27 plus 4 plus 9. 4, we must add this like this. 27, 9 and 4 plus. So 9 plus 7 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. 0, 2. 2 plus 2 is 4, isn't it? 40. So we have 40 here. And in the denominator we have 12. Are you getting me? Yes. So 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12 and 4 10s are 40. So 10 upon 3, isn't it? So this is proper fraction or improper fraction? This is improper fraction because 3 is smaller than 10. So if this is improper fraction, then we must convert this fraction into mixed fraction, okay? So how do we convert this mixed fraction, this improper fraction into mixed fraction? We divide this 10 by 3. 3 3s are 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. Now this 3 remains here, this remainder 1 goes up, and this 3 comes down here, divisor comes down here. So 10 upon 3 means 3 whole 1 upon 3. So this is the answer for this question. I hope you got this. Now let's move on to the next one. Now let us do another question. 3 upon 8 minus 4 upon 3 plus 7 upon 2 plus 2 whole 1 upon 3. So we are asked to add this fractional number. Okay. Now first of all, what we do is we convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay. So we write everything as it is. 3 upon 8 minus 4 upon 3 plus 7 upon 2 plus 3 to the 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 upon 3, isn't it? 3 to the 6 plus 1. 3 to the 6 plus 1. 7 upon 3. Now we take the LCM of the denominators. We have 8, comma 3, comma 2, comma 3, isn't it? So first let us do with 3. We cannot divide this 8, so we copy this 8 as it is. 3 1s are 3. Now 2 we copy as it is. Again 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3 and 3 1s are 3. Now 8 and 2 we copy it as it is. Now this 8 and 2 can be multiplied with 2, isn't it? Can be divided with 2. So 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, isn't it? So this 1 and this 1 comes as it is. So we need not write 1 1 1. So let's multiply this all. 3 to the 6. 6 4s are 24. 24 1s are 24. 1s are 24. 1s are 24. So LCM is 24, isn't it? 3 to the 6. 6 4s are 24. LCM is 24. Now what we do is we write this numerator here as it is. 8 into which number is 24? 8 3s are 24, isn't it? So that 3 comes here. This minus comes here. So this 4 we copy as it is. Now 3 into which number is this 24? 3 into 8 is 24. So into 8 plus this 7 we write as it is into 2 into which number is this 24? 2 into 12 is 24. 2 into 12 gives us 24. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. So 2 into 12 gives 24. Now this 12 into 7. This 7 into 12. Okay. Plus. We copy this 7. Numerator 7 as it is. Into 3 into which number gives 24? 8. Isn't it? 3 8s are 24. That 8 we write here. Now let us multiply. 3 3s are 9 minus 4 8s are 32 plus 7 12s are 84, isn't it? If you do not know the table, what we do is 12 multiplied by 7. 7 2s are 14, 4 1 in hand. 7 1s are 7 plus 1 8, 84. 7 12s are 84 plus 7 8s are 56. Whole upon we have 24 in the denominator. So now this 9 is plus, 84 is plus, and 56 is plus. We add up all the numbers having same sign. Okay, this 9 is plus. If there is no sign, we should understand there is plus sign. So plus 9 plus 84 plus 56. This 32 is minus. We should not add this number. This number has different sign. So let us add up this number. 9 plus 84 plus 56. 56 plus 84 plus this 9. 9 plus 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 9 is 19. 1 in hand. 8 plus 5 13 plus 1 is 14. 149. So 149 and this minus 32. 9 plus 84 plus 56 gives us 149, and this minus 32 remains as it is upon 24. Okay, now this gives us 149 is plus and 32 is minus. So let's subtract 149 minus 32. 149 minus 32. 9 minus 2 is 7. Now 4 minus 3 is 1. This 1 comes down. 117 upon 24. Now this is also an improper fraction because 24 is smaller than 117, so we must convert this type of fraction into mixed fraction, isn't it? So let us convert this fraction into mixed fraction. How do we convert? We just divide 117 by 24. 117 by 24. 117 by 24. So 24 5 ja, 5 4 ja 20, 5 2 ja 10, 11 12, 4 ja, that means 4 ja. If we do 5 ja, that means it becomes more than 117. So 24 4 ja, 4 4 ja 16, 4 2 ja 8, plus 1 9, 96. 24 4 ja 96. So let us subtract this. 7 minus 6 is 1, 11 minus 9 is 2. So this 4 we write as it is. I am writing here, okay. This 4 whole 21 goes to the numerator and this 24 comes down to the denominator, okay. 4 whole 21 upon 24. Now this 21 and 24 can be cancelled by 3. You can cancel this. 3 7 ja 21, 3 8 ja 24. That means you can write 4 whole 7 upon 8. 7 upon 8. Okay, you can write like this. You can cancel this number if it's cancelable, okay. So this is the answer for this question. I hope you understood. I hope now you can add and subtract the fractional numbers. I put this subtraction because I wanted to teach you at the same time, okay, how to subtract the fractional number. This is how we add and subtract any fractional number. Thank you so much. If you understood the concept and if you like the way of my teaching, then please don't forget to subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon so that you get more notifications for more video uploads, okay.